Hello students, welcome to the Expert Lecture Series 2021 organized by BYK College of Commerce. In the last video, you practiced about how to deal with the scene passages of prose section. With the help of different activities, you must have got some idea about what type of activities are usually set on the scene passages. So let us take some more examples like this. The first scene passage that I have selected for you is from Big Data, Big Insights, that is 1.4. I hope you have seen my last video, which is about the explanation of this lesson. By the way, before we start discussing about the activities and the passage, let me tell you something about this passage and this lesson. This lesson reveals how information and technology can change the present scenario in a very systematic way. Human life has absolutely been affected by big data. It has become a rapidly growing part of today's society. The whole lesson is highlighted with 8 important revolutionary outcomes with the valuable insights of human development. These are some of the uses of big data. Now, let me read the extract for you, which is on page number 37. The passage is Healthcare Industry. Today we see that people have become health conscious. The smartwatches, other wearable health apps in our phone keep on collecting data. We can say that they are our own mini biomedical research devices. They detect our heart rate, monitor the patient's sleep pattern, keep a record of his exercise, the distance walked in, etc. The analysis of this data collected can give new insights and provide a personalized individual feedback to each and every person. Nowadays, we have gadgets to monitor blood sugar, blood pressure, etc. At home, 24 by 7 monitoring can be provided to patients in hospitals too. With the help of big data, the doctors can now have better diagnosis of any ailment, the effect of any drug, etc. Unnecessary guesswork can be significantly reduced. Past records of the patients can be maintained and better analysis of the health can be obtained. Big data helps in monitoring the outbreaks of epidemics and diseases. Just when you post your message, I'm down with flu on WhatsApp or Facebook, it will be monitored and the areas affected by the flu can be easily located and necessary precautions can be taken. Pharmaceutical companies would pay huge amount to receive the health data of people to promote research in the particular area. With the help of the data gathered, individuals are often given suggestions and solutions for the problems they are encountering. This is the passage. Now let us complete the activities which are based on the scene passage. The first activity, which is based on the global understanding, is about completing the web chart. A1, that is activity 1, complete the web giving the benefits of big data to the doctor. You are expected to give 4 points regarding the benefits of big data to the doctor. So the answer is, the first point is to get a better diagnosis of ailment. Second point, unnecessary guesswork is reduced. Third point, that big data is also used to know the effects of any drug. And last point is that help from the past record of the patient. So this is your web diagram. Second activity, complete the following web diagram by writing the uses of health apps. Now here you have to complete the web diagram with the help of the passage by mentioning the uses of health apps. So again you have to mention 4 points, that is regarding health apps. So the first point is detect our heart rate. It helps in detecting our heart rate. Second point, it can monitor our sleep pattern. Third point is that it can also keep a record of our exercise. And last point, that it helps us to measure the distance we have walked. So this was second activity. Now the third one, give proof for the statement. Big data helps in monitoring the outbreaks of epidemics as well as the pharmaceutical companies from the extract. And the answer is this. Just when someone posts a message, "I'm down with flu," on WhatsApp or Facebook, it will be monitored and the areas affected by flu can be easily located and necessary precautions can be taken. Pharmaceutical companies would pay huge amount to receive the health data to people to promote research in the particular area. It shows that big data helps in monitoring the outbreaks of epidemics as well as to pharmaceutical companies. So this is the answer of activity 3. Activity 4, this is based on the personal response. Suggest ways to maintain good health. Here answer can vary from person to person. Everyone's perspective is different, so answer can be slightly different, but any reasonably correct answer would be accepted. So this is the answer. There can be different ways to maintain good health. Most importantly, having balanced diet is the crucial thing, along with some daily exercise. Less stress and sufficient rest can be relaxing. Staying active and listening to the music can make you happy and positive. So this is my perspective, and someone's perspective can be different but somewhat related to the topic and relevant content will be accepted. Activity 5 is about do as directed, that is grammar. The first question, big data helps in monitoring the outbreaks of epidemics and diseases. And read the instruction carefully. Rewrite using as well as. And the answer is, big data helps in monitoring the outbreaks of epidemics as well as diseases. So when we are using as well as, we are removing and. So see the difference. Second question, with the help of the big data, doctors can now have better diagnosis of any ailment. Rewrite this statement using be able to. And the answer is, with the help of the big data, the doctors are able to do better diagnosis of any ailment. Next is A5, activity 6. Complete the following, giving the meanings. You have to give the meanings of these phrases. See the answers. First one, health conscious people, means people who are conscious about their health. Second one, smart watches, watches that are smart. Heart rate, the rate at which heart beats. Blood pressure, the pressure of the blood. Next question is about the language study, that means a non-textual grammar, which is for 4 marks. First question of grammar. There was farmer who grew superior quality rice, and every year his rice won prizes in state competition. Now read the instruction carefully. Insert an appropriate article wherever necessary and rewrite the sentence. The answer is that there was a farmer who grew superior quality rice, and every year his rice won prizes in the state competition. Second question. Saina Nehwal was introduced dash karate dash a tender age but abandoned it when she was told to stop. The instruction is that rewrite the sentence by using an appropriate prepositions. See the answer. Saina Nehwal was introduced to karate at a tender age but abandoned it when she was told to stop. Third question of grammar. The quiz master said, when did Quit India movement take place? Given below are the four options. Find out correct indirect speech of the given sentence and rewrite it. You not only have to identify but you have to write it down. So these are the four options in front of you. The first option, that is A, the quiz master said that when Quit India movement had taken place. The quiz master asked that when Quit India movement had taken place. C, the quiz master asked when Quit India movement had taken place. Fourth one, that is D, the quiz master asked when was Quit India movement taken place. And the correct option is this. The quiz master asked when Quit India movement had taken place. So you not only have to identify but you have to write it down. Next question is about spotting the error. You not only have to find out the error but also rewrite the sentence. The sentence is, she is more shorter than her brother. Find out the error and correct it. And the correct sentence is, she is shorter than her brother. This is a comparative statement wherein more and er cannot be used together in a single sentence. This was the first scene passage. Now let us take another example of scene passage from the lesson Into the Wild by Kiran Purandare. So once again, before discussing the passage and activities, let me tell you a little bit about the story. As the name suggests, this lesson is about the writer's amazing experience as a solitary traveler who lost in the jungle. He narrates how he lost his way at the fall of the dusk and the terrifying turmoil he underwent thereafter. He also gives a detailed description of how he found his way towards Pizzari, that is the village. Let me read the passage for you first. The passage is on page number 56 and 57. The 8.5-hour long day inside the hide was as fruitful as the zamba tree standing tall on the edge of the Umbarzara. Before wrapping up my day at this natural waterhole, I took entries of the avifauna in my field notes. Since I was alone, I rushed to Pizzari village where I was stationed. I camouflaged the hide, took my essentials, came out of the hide and stretched out to my heart's content. I lifted my camera bag and took the familiar trail to Pizzari. Negotiating the webbed leaves of teakwood and moha trees, trying to make minimal sound, I was treading cautiously among the woods. Walking alone in a jungle needs some more alertness than walking with a companion. I was alone here like a fox, following the trail silently, watching with wide open eyes. My ears were grasping a variety of sounds just when a familiar sound stunned me. Kyak, kyak. This is the sound of the animal. It was a langur alarm call. The leader of the gang of langurs was sitting on the tall tree making alarm calls out of fear for life. Rest of the langur brigade continued raising the alarm calls. The network of alarm calls was expanding its range as the petrified langurs speeded to the trees near and far and secured their places on treetops. All this upheaval was created by only one animal's presence, a leopard. Many animals make alarm calls when they see a predator, tiger, or leopard nearby. The langur is most reliable when it comes to finding clues about the presence of the apex predators in the jungle. The mighty elusive leopard of Umbarzara was out of its lair. He was on the prowl. The stealthily moving figure in spotted gold black cloak was spied by these langurs. Even the small ones from the legion of langurs were giving alarm calls. Check, check, again the sound. I stayed put, gauged the leader, langur's target site, and scanned the area visually. Took some steps, stopped again. A fresh scat was lying before me on the trail. The bluish purple flies were hovering over it. I was sure that the leopard was somewhere near. The distant alarm call of four-homed antelope was adding to the chaos. I barely walked around 15 meters and stopped. I had apparently entered in the sanctum sanctorum of a miracle called leopard, but the big cat was not visible. It is an elusive animal. The surroundings were reminding me that I was all alone, time and again. As I moved forward on the trail to Pizzari, the fading alarm calls were still heard in the background. I could tell instinctively that the leopard had moved away. This is the passage. Now let us complete the activities which are based on the passage. The first activity, pick out the sentences that are false and write them correctly. There are total 4 sentences, so you have to pick up false sentences and correct them. The false one, the first false statement is, the narrator had made notes of the langurs in the region. This is false, and the correct sentence is this: the narrator had made notes of the birds in the region. Second false statement is, the leopard was petrified, and the correct sentence is, the langurs were petrified. Second activity, complete the flow chart stating the reactions of the petrified langurs due to the presence of the leopard. The first one is done for you. You have to write the remaining reactions of the langurs. The answer is, the leader of the gang makes alarm calls. Second, rest of the langur brigade continued raising the alarm calls, speeding to the treetops near and far. Last one, smaller langurs also giving alarm calls. A3, that is activity 3. Explain. I was alone here like fox. You have to explain this statement, and the statement means foxes are like solitary creatures. They move around and hunt alone. In the same way, the narrator was alone to do his research, and now he was going back to the village all alone. Hence, he compares himself to a fox. Next activity, that is A4. Describe any forest you have visited. Narrate your experience in brief. This is a personal response question. So, your answer can be like this. The answer is, I have gone to the Periyar National Park in Kerala. It is in the Western Ghats. This wildlife sanctuary is home to tigers and elephants. There are also deers, leopards, and Indian bisons. I have also seen in boat ride in Periyar Lake. It was a wonderful experience to see tigers drinking at the watering holes. I really enjoyed the experience and will repeat it as soon as I can. So you can narrate your own experience because everyone's experience is different. So any reasonably correct answer would be accepted. Next activity is about do as directed, that is grammar. The first is, the surroundings were reminding me. Read the instruction carefully. Rewrite beginning the sentence with I. Means rewrite this statement which should begin with I. So that means you have to change the sentence into passive voice. So the answer would be, I was being reminded by the surroundings. Second one, I had apparently entered in the sanctum sanctorum of a miracle called leopard. And the instruction is, pick out the verb and state the tense. Find out the verb and also find out the tense. The verb is had entered and the tense is past perfect tense. Next is based on the vocabulary. Guess the meaning of the following words. These are the words: upheaval, predator, hovering, antelope. And the meanings are this. Upheaval means uproar or disturbance. Predator means an animal that preys on other animals. Hovering means fluttering in the air. Antelope means an animal which looks like a deer with hollow horns. Next question is based on the language study, non-textual grammar. This is for 4 marks, among which the first question is this. It was dash excellent lunch. The meal cost him dash 250 rupees. Instruction: fill in the blanks with suitable articles and rewrite the sentence. The answer is, it was an excellent lunch. The meal cost him 250 rupees. Second one is about the preposition. She looked dash and her eyes shone dash an eternal light. Fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions and rewrite the sentence. Answer is this. She looked up and her eyes shone with an eternal light. Third one. I did not fully understand the discussion in depth, but I was immensely impressed. Instruction: make it a complex sentence by using though. Answer: though I did not fully understand their discussion in depth, I was immensely impressed. Next is spot the error. Also correct it and rewrite the sentence. The sentence is, Shakespeare is one of the greatest dramatists. This is the sentence. Now find out the error. Answer is, Shakespeare is one of the greatest dramatists. So that was it for this video. Now in the next video we are going to discuss some more scene passages which will be about the poetry section, and so by that time we expect that you should keep on reading the poetry section. Thank you so much.